Welcome to another episode of Little Car Garage. Okay, today, in fact, this evening, I went to my Wal Mart, and recently, there's been some gentlemen or gentlemen's or some folk returning old cars, still in the package, from the 90s. And I picked up this road beater, right? Snow plow kind of a deal. It's like a Chevrolet truck. And what do I say about the wheels? The wheels are whack, and they stick out too far out of the. They just look dorky. It's a dorky truck. Now, I just checked. I have another one just like this, so this is a duplicate. So I'm gonna rip it apart, and I'm gonna do a wheel swap on it. And the donor is gonna be this little Yoda off-road truck. I like the wheels. They look way more realistic than these little goobers. So let's get started. Already pre-drilled it for the screw. Hopefully I went deep enough. So let's let it rip. What a booger. Oh, I'm losing my bits falling down inside the chuck. Come on, Chuck. Alright. Yoda. Only wants the wheels, the rest of it goes in the junk pile. I'll show you what I do with my junk Hot Wheels in another video. You're gonna love it. Alright. This one's only got one little mounting pin, so it's only going to require one screw. But see, it's a die-cast body, die-cast chassis, so it's an older vehicle. Oh, I can take the snowplow off if I want to. I've never had one of these apart yet. Now this one has the metal tabs, so those are going to have to be ground off. So let's get the grinder going again. Well, that new bit works great. Ugh. Rip them apart. There you go. There's our chassis, and there's our donor wheels. What do you suppose the chances of these fitting right on are? Any guesses? Let's try it. Dude! Perfect! And I did not know that. Awesome! Awesome! Cool beans, man. Cool beans. Now there's just enough of the material left over that it'll snap right into place. Look at that. Look at that, I said. Okay. Okay, what is the situation? Oh, I see. Okay. Wheels don't want to turn. There's these little tabs here that we're going to have to trim. No problem. Make sure you wear your goggles because I just got a mouthful of Zamac. Alright, this should work absolutely perfect now. Oh yeah, they roll great. take a dorky looking truck, and then it's going to be a keeper. There we go. There you have it. Okay, let's reassemble. Let's put the... Yeah, let's go ahead and put the snowplow back on. What the hey? Okay. Okay. What's going on here? Why is it... There it goes. Dude, look at that. That looks sweet. Now that looks like a truck. Looks like a regular truck. Alright. Let's go ahead and put some threads in it. I actually found three cars. A Lexus SC400, which I didn't even have one of those. And I picked up this truck. And I picked up this cool police bus. All returned to Wal Mart. In the last month, I've probably bought, I don't know, 10 or 12 returns that somebody's brought back. And out of those 10, there's probably 8 of them that I didn't have for the collection. So that's pretty cool. Alright, we're going to add a screw. And then we're going to do a road test. Road test. Uh-oh. Oh, the stupid plow is dragging. That looks cool, man. Right there. That's another little quickie for you. From the Little Car Garage. We'll see you now.